Now, you all may ask, why a mobile app? Well, a mobile app is needed because you have to be visible to your customers at all times. According to one statistics, more than 80% of the time spent on two leading platforms, that is the iOS and Android. Most of the users, they spend their time on mobile devices, basically on apps, more than 80%. So the time spent on browsers, or you could say the other sites, on browser sites like your Google search engine, or some other sites like maybe it's Safari or Bing or whatever, it's very less. It's less than 20%. Most of the time, the users, they spend the time on apps, whatever apps it may be it games, uh, gaming apps. Then you've got your utility apps, or your weather apps, or anything, or maybe your uh, gym apps, or anything, whatever apps that is needed for daily usage. Secondly, you can use your app as a marketing channel to promote your brand. An app in itself is a great tool to promote your brand so that you can take your brand forward. Next, the importance of app is that it provides value to your customers. What an app does is that it gives that personalization ability to the customers. Basically, the customers can feel more in tune with what your app has to offer. And as I've said, build brand recognition. So basically, what the app does is that it builds brand, and at the same time, it also builds recognition. Your app gives recognition to your brand, and at the same time, it enables wider market reach. Then apps enable customer engagement, because every day when users log into their phones, they're always visiting one or two apps on a daily basis. So if your app is on the top of the priority list, what it does is that it can increase the engagement of your app. The sessions will increase. They spend more time on it. If they love it, they'll rate it higher. They'll give good reviews about your app. So an app is really important. An app, what it does that is it makes you stand for the competition. Because when there's an app installed in someone's mobile device, they know for a fact that they don't have to go anywhere to search for what they're looking for. They will just log into the app, into your app. So basically, let's say instead of browsing on the search engine, they can just go straight to app, because they know that they will find what they're looking for. And it also enables customer loyalty, because what happens is that it generates customer loyalty, because a customer knows that he doesn't have to go anywhere else. He just has to come to your app to get what he's looking for. So over time, what happens is that the user becomes really comfortable with using your app, and every day he or she logs in to the app, or just clicks on the app and just checks for whatever he or she wants on a daily basis. So it becomes a regular occurrence, and that's how you build your brand, your recognition, and at the same time, harness this brand that you've got and build on it, and at the same time get more customers and grow your business.